Okay. Windows 98. Okay. Username 8. Password. I don't think I had a password. Oh yeah, boy. Windows 98. Don't show the screen. Stop the screen from showing each time Windows 98 starts. Close. Okay. So the first thing we should do is connect to the internet. Oh, welcome to MSN Internet Access. Get fast, reliable internet access and email from Microsoft. Jesus. Sorry. Next. Oh, jeez. Not this again. Hold on. I think I might need to modify virtual machine settings for a second. There we go. Windows. Okay, I might need to restart my virtual machine since I changed my internet settings and set it to host-only network. I forgot to mention that I'm using a host-only Ethernet thing. Yes, restart. Because Windows... This is not properly shut down. What if one or more of your describes may have errors on it? Well, I restarted the virtual machine. And it won't cause a problem. Connect to the internet. Next. Detect my modem. Windows did not find any new modems attached to your computer. Ah! Why can't I connect to the internet? I don't know how this happens. Whatever. I guess I'm gonna mess around with the control panel. Oh, where is it? Oh, wait, well, whatever, it's probably an outdated version or something. Settings, control panel. Maximize. Hold on, I forgot to install guest editions on this thing. Devices, insert guest edition, CD image. Okay. I'm gonna pause the video while I install guest editions on this thing. Okay, for some reason, VirtualBox Guest Edition setup won't launch. So, I'm just gonna mess around with the control panel. Display. First boot. Bubbles. No, we're not gonna use the background. No. Windows 90. Windows 98. Okay. MS. Windows 98. Display. Screensaver. Channel screensaver. Apply. Preview. Oh, this looks good. Okay. Oh, let's mess around with the fonts. Okay. Let's look around on this computer. C:. Windows. Show files. Go down. System 32! Delete this! And the system folder. What? System is a Windows system folder and is required for Windows to run properly. It cannot be deleted. Oh jeez, I'm gonna have to do it from the MS-DOS prompt right after, or I permanently delete System 32. Ha 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 ha. Okay, where is, oh, programs. MS-DOS prompt. Okay. Del tree /y. Hey. System. Now we could delete this entire virtual hard drive. Del tree. Come. Virtual machine. Ah, filter keys. I should have known. If you were hearing those like typing noises, that was filter keys. So I turned it off. Like, wow! Bootlog.txt, command.com. Oh, MS-DOS. Explore.exe. Help. Cannot find the file hh.exe or one of its components. Run. Run as in system. Shut down. Restart. Okay. Okay. It's restarting. Invalid system disk again. Place the disk and then press any key. Function of 12. Other boot devices. 1. Still invalid system disk, and I can't boot from CD because the CD is not bootable. Well, I guess this is all the time we have for destroying Windows 98. Stay tuned for the next episode where I destroy Windows 2000. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.